Hey guys, I'm going to teach you exactly how to use two apps in order to start making some really good money online, even a full-time income. I do this currently right now, and I have different sources of getting referrals to these apps for promoting these apps, and I'm actually going to teach you that in this video. But before we get into the video, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I teach people different ways to make money online. I also share this information for the people who share on these social media platforms. I actually can type in my YouTube link and see who's sharing, and I actually give away prizes to people that actually share this content, so you definitely want to share that. Comment, and if you want to keep up with this YouTube video, you can actually save this to a playlist for future references. So basically do all of those things if you're want to keep in touch with this video, and actually any updates that I do, I'll actually put in the description below. So any updates to different apps that are currently working but don't currently work in the future, you can actually come back to this video, and I'll actually have an update in the description below, and you can make sure that you're up to date on the different money making apps that I'm using. Okay, so now let's get into the video. Basically how to make a full-time income promoting apps, and I'm going to show you proof that this works. Let me go to an app called Dash, and I can actually show you that I've actually been paid by Dash. You can actually see this is Vimo. I choose to get my money through Vimo. Dash pays in Vimo. They pay in PayPal. They pay directly to your bank account. So anywhere that you want to send your money from your Dash wallet, you can do so. And also, I earned $5 per referral. So anybody, and you can see this right here, it actually tells you on Vimo, cash for for shopping, dining, and gas. So once people download the Dash app through this, they link a card, they get a $5 bonus. I also get a $5 bonus. So basically I make sure that I get this link out to as many people as I can through different sources. I'm actually going to teach you about that a little bit later in this video. So like I said, you definitely want to stay until the end. But you can just see, I basically promote this link, and anybody that signs up, and they actually have incentives to sign up, because once they sign up, they get a $5 bonus. Okay, so if you don't believe me, go ahead and sign up, and once you link your card, you get your $5 bonus directly to Dash. If you're international, I have a lot of people that have signed up in India, Africa, the UK. I have Asia as well, and China. I have a lot of those people who have signed up through Dash and have actually been able to earn a legit income with Dash. I have people earning around $100 to $200 per month using this system. So if you're international and you signed up for Dash, leave your how you signed up, and basically the mobile VPNs that are working. They signed up through a mobile VPN, and they use that mobile VPN to get the US to get a US IP, and then they redid their they uninstalled and installed their App Store or Play Store, and they basically was able to see Dash in the App Store. They downloaded it using their mobile VPN and actually was able to sign up. They use a virtual gift card. They use a virtual card in order to sign up for Dash. And once they use their virtual card to sign up for Dash and link that, they got their $5 bonus. And they basically just needed to get their first cash back, and they got their first cash back by ordering something online. And they was able to withdraw their money for their referrals, and they started referring people. So anybody that's international, you can do the same thing. Actually, anybody that has signed up that is international, basically show people how to do the same thing. And if you're in state your country and state how you signed up, so people can be able to sign up. Now for pay, I haven't seen it as much international users, and for pay is also a cashback app, and you can just see this is my recent one. I got $25 basically for sharing with pay, and pay right now actually has a promotion going on for every person that you refer until Monday. You actually get a $10 bonus instead of a $5 bonus, and at Monday at 11:59 p.m. this promotion ends, and it'll go back to the regular $5 per person, just like Dash. But this is pay first big promotion, and Dash does promotions all the time, so you definitely want to start getting your link out there, your code out there, so therefore when these promotions comes up, you have enough referrals to get, instead of getting $5 per person, you start getting $10 per person, and you can actually start building a legit income when these promotions go out. Okay, so that's pay. That's proof that this worked. And these are the apps you need to make this system work. Okay, these are two apps, and I broke it down with two apps. I know I have a whole lot of more money making apps, but you definitely need these two apps in order if you want to make a legit income. Now I have other apps that do pay, and I will talk about them in future videos, but these are the apps that I'm currently using. Okay, you get bonuses when you sign up. The links to these apps will be in the description below. You get bonuses when you sign up for each of these apps. So right now you get $10 when you sign up for Pay until Monday, and for Dash you get paid $5 when you sign up and you link a card for both of those. The same card that you link to Dash is the same card that you can link to Pay, and you actually get those bonuses right there. Plan of action to get referrals, because you can make money with these apps on its own, but you definitely want to start getting referrals to these apps in order to start making a lot of money. So I'm going to teach you exactly how to get referrals. Okay. Now, referral conversions, and these are my results as far as referrals. Now, you might have different results, but for the 1,000 people that see my post, my ad, which is I'm gonna show you how to do. For the 1,000 people that see my ad on Pinterest, I get up to 40 referrals. So this is an example of an ad, and I basically tell them learn how to make a full-time income using free apps. Now, I have this pin going towards my blog. So when they click on this, when people look at this and they actually are interested in learning how to make money using free apps, they're going to actually click this or actually click on a picture, and it's actually going to take them to my blog. And in this blog post, I have a video, and I also have a link to Dash. And basically, this is my referral link. So anybody that goes through Dash, hits my referral link, actually get a bonus. This was doing a promotion, the $10. This was doing the $10 Dash promotion. That promotion has since ended, so they only get $5 when they sign up, and I also get a $5 bonus. And I also have my Pay link in here as well. So when they click on here and download Pay and use this code, they get a $10 bonus right now. But like I said, after Monday, it obviously goes back to the $5 bonus. And I also have some other, I give them a prepaid card that they can link to Dash and Pay in order to sign up. And I also give them a bonus apps, which are also my links to other apps that I use as well. So this is how I'm getting my link out to people. Once they see the Pinterest post, they click on it, they go over there, and out of 1,000 people that sees this actual Pinterest post, I created this in Canva, really easy, really simple. People that's out of 1,000 people that see it, I get up to 40 referrals. Out of 1,000 people that see my video, this is a video that I did on YouTube. Out of 1,000 people that see that video, I get up to 20. And also this can go a little bit less. You can, with YouTube, is very tricky because you're international. A lot of people are watching your video, so you can have one day that you get up to 5 referrals with YouTube, and you have one day that you might get up to 20 referrals with YouTube. It ups and flows, and it's really not consistent. So that's why I don't get a lot of my referrals from YouTube. I get a lot of my referrals from Pinterest and my blogs. And this is another blog example. This is actually an example of me promoting Dash. This has my Dash link right here. So anybody that reads this article about me making easy chocolate chip banana bread muffins, so I actually know how to cook. So I actually created this blog post. They read this, and I tell them they can actually save money on ingredients by using Dash. They go through my Dash link and they actually sign up for Dash, and I get a $5 bonus. You don't want to have your referral links in one place. You want to spread out your referral links to different blogs. So therefore, if something happens to one traffic source, you will have these other 2 traffic sources that are bringing in referrals, constantly per day, instead of just depending on one. So if you don't want to just do YouTube videos, you want to do Facebook groups, you want to do Pinterest, you want to do different ways to get your link out there. So therefore, you can be safe just in case something happens to one of the platforms. And this is how you're going to build a long-term successful business from referring people. Okay. So Facebook groups. This is like the last way. I just basically put this post in here. Anytime somebody comments info, I send them my referral links to these 2 apps. Once they sign up, like I said, and link a card to both of these 2 apps, I get paid $5 if they're using Dash, and also $5 if they're using Pay. Okay, so that's it. So this is, and like I said, I use blogs to get extra referrals. And for these posts in these Facebook groups, it's basically money making posts. Okay, so once they look at my posts on these money making groups, and they say, oh, I want to learn how to do this, they contact me. I send them the info, and I send them my links. They sign up. We're all happy. We both get a $5 bonus. Okay. These are my personal numbers. After link tracking and testing, your numbers might be different, and they probably will be different, but that's how I'm doing this. It's basically the whole system, explained to you guys right there. I'm basically posting on Pinterest, Facebook groups, and I'm teaching them exactly what I'm doing right now. So basically what I would do if I was getting started and I was starting from scratch, I would do Pinterest, Facebook groups, because you're going to get a lot of targeted people that are interested into making money online. And I can actually show this to you guys. I can actually go to my audience insights, and this is basically the insights of people that are on Pinterest. So if I go, and one more wait for this to load up, if I go to money, let me go down to financial. This tells you what your people are interested in. And matter of fact, I already have this finance planning. You can see that people are interested in budgeting. So budgeting, they want to learn how they can save money on their budget and actually earn cash back. So my audience is really interested in this. So that's why a post, if I go back to the post that I did, that's why a post like this, let me wait for it to load up really quick. That's why a post like this post is going to do really well, because people want to learn how they can make money and also how they can save money. So people are going to want to learn about this because they're interested in finances. So the same thing goes for people that are in Facebook groups. You're targeting people who want to make money online. So basically, if you can give them an app that can help them make money online, they will actually listen to you. Same thing for YouTube. You're targeting people that want to make money, online, and basically you do a video and you teach them how to do the same thing, and you can actually get referrals from doing that. So that's all that I'm doing to get constant referrals to these apps. You can do the same thing. These two apps have made me over $2,500, so far. And I'm pretty sure I will increase that. The links to these apps will be in the description below. I hope this information actually helps you guys. You guys got to go out there and hustle. You actually have to do this stuff in order for this stuff to work. But that's all I got for you guys. Comment any questions you might have. Comment to enter my contest, and also share this video, like this video. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. You can check out some more videos to the side of you right now. And peace out and have a nice day.